All right, folks, this is Commander Boston from NovaForce, and this is the long-awaited video for the release of the NovaForce Data Network. And so what the NovaForce Data Network does is it replaces activity logs. And activity logs we are currently, right now, as the making of this video, logging all of our activity in system. For example, if you've done a mission for INR, which is Intergalactic Nova Republic, you would then go to Discord, write down you did this mission, it was a data delivery mission or it was an assassination mission, or you would notate that you sold X amount of system data in one of our systems. Our membership voted and said that they'd prefer to have a tool to do this automated. I can assure you all of the tools I'm going to show you are safe. I do this stuff for a living. I have an LLC. I have insurance to worry about. There's going to be no malware on any of this. But as always, do your own scans and everything's downloaded at your own risk, but there's nothing in here that's going to interfere with your system or grab any data besides the in-game data that relates to our in-game faction. And so what you want to do is go to apps.novaforce.com. That'll bring you to this screen here. Go to register. I've got a dummy account that I'm setting up. And notate your username and password, right? Write it down because the system isn't going to send you an email. There's no, reset your login function. I can do it from the back end, but that's currently not there. It might be there in the future. And then you're just going to want to hit submit. And it says, please put your username and password info into the NovaForce Data Network EDMC plugin and restart EDMC. And so now we're going to do that. And to get to the EDMC plugin, just use the Get to the EDMC plugin button. That'll open up the download page for the NovaForce Data Network plugin on novaforce.com. If you see a login screen, just log in with your NovaForce account, and that'll take you back to this page again. Hit download. Grab this. All right, I'm back. And so I've got it downloaded. This is the zip file it gives you. You're just going to want to extract it, whatever method you use to extract. I like 7-zip. That'll give you a folder named NFDN with just one Python file inside. You're then going to want to open up Elite Dangerous Market Connector. So go to File, Settings, right? You can see here, I already have it installed. I already have the configuration set up, but what you're going to want to do is go to Plugins, find your plugin folder, open it, and then just paste. This should be empty if you have no other plugins, and you just want to take this, copy, and paste it into here, which would create this folder being here. And then once that's installed, and that's the installation process, nice and simple, you just want to restart EDMC, and then go to File, Settings, NovaForce Data Network, enter in your, whatever. If you use your email, you put your email in here. If you used just a username, put your username in here. It doesn't really matter. And then just your password, hit OK. Let's use the launcher to launch up the game here, because you'll see now NovaForce Data Network disconnected. All right, so I'm back. And so you can see now that I'm logged into the game, but not just at the main menu. I'm actually in a state, in open, private, or solo. The NovaForce Data Network plugin won't even fire off unless you're in-game doing something. So that way it's not running in the background when you're just using your computer, or even if you're just at the main menu. And so once you're in game, you'll be able to see your commander name, your ship, your system. I'm not at a station right now, and you can see NovaForce Data Network is a successful connection. That means it is sending data to the network. You've done everything that you need to do. Now, if you want to be able to keep logs for yourself, for you to access, you would just use Inara, which we'll cover in another video. This is just to send data to us so that way you guys no longer have to do activity logs. I hope this makes everybody's life easier. Don't forget to also use the Nova launcher to be able to fire up Elite in EDMC or Elite EDMC in Voice Attack, whether you use Steam, standalone, or VR. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.